Now friends, come to this particular question number 5. See, unit X is in special economic zone, so 10 AA can be available. Another is unit Y in a free trade zone, for which 10 AA provisions are not applicable. Okay, so for unit Y, that turnover criteria and all that is not of very much relevant. The profit earned will of course be taxable on its own merit. Okay, so now we just straight away need to focus on the income computation. Okay, now first of all, this is 63 lakhs profit earned after the claim of bad debts and all that with respect to unit X. So this is like all your business income computation, so that is fair enough. So all business income adjustments before section 10 AA has been incorporated, so it's very fair enough, there is nothing wrong. However, to this we'll have to do that add less depreciation adjustment, add book depreciation less tax depreciation, and some similar to that previous questions, 15% on SLM basis, you can do the backward calculation. Okay, so by doing this particular backward calculation, there will be nothing wrong, and you can easily use your calculator and do that particular adjustment, so you will get a business income. Okay, after doing this particular depreciation adjustment. Now the turnover criteria. Now total turnover is already given to me, so that is straightforward figure, so I have no further adjustment to that. Now export sales is inclusive of 10 lakhs on on-site development of the computer software, that is also covered. On-site development of the computer software is also outside India, there is no problem. However, that foreign currency should be brought into India. The foreign currency earnings that you have should be brought into India. And there is one more small thing which I want to bring to your notice. There is a small little explanation here which makes it very much clear with respect to the softwares or profits and gains from on-site development of a computer software, that is also part and parcel of the export of computer software outside India. That is also part of the export turnover. So even otherwise, such provisions are very simple and straightforward. So okay, so this is 120. Now out of 120, let me change the ink color. Okay, out of this particular 120, okay, 100 lakhs realized out of export sales and 20 lakhs become irrecoverable due to bankruptcy of one of the foreign buyers with respect to unit X. So how much you have realized this? You have realized only 100. So 20 you are not able to bring in. So forget it. Now here always students will confuse that because it is a bad debts of that particular unit. So I will consider that for the purpose of, what should I say, part of the export turnover, because for genuine reason I have not into. Don't go into all that. You should bring in the money, or you can take an extension of the time period from the appropriate authority. But if you don't bring in the money, it is no. However, the claim of the bad debts is already given to you. See, the claim of the bad debts, that is a business income adjustment, that is already given to you. So for that there is no worries. Okay, so business income adjustment can of course be done. There is no doubt about that. So you do all your business income adjustment immediately before 10 AA. Okay, so my export turnover is going to be 120 minus 20, that is 100. Basically this 100 is going to be my export turnover. I already know the total turnover, I already know the income subjected to that depreciation adjustment and all that. So it will be straight away now a calculator work and get the amount of the reduction under section 10 AA with respect to this particular